Students, we are going to start today a chapter number 13, that is a nuclei. So in this chapter, the revised syllabus we have given only 3 topics were remaining, and rest all are the deleted. And the next topic, the continued topic with 3, we will talk in this chapter today. This is the composition of the nucleus and size. And second topic is nuclear force. This is already you have studied in the 11th class first chapter. And mass energy relation, this is also you have studied in the class number 11th in chapter energy chapter. So these 3 topics we will talk, and this is very simple and easy chapter. This is related 100% from your chemistry. You all know that the composition of the nucleus, that means how the nucleus is formed. So we know that the substance is composed, that is an atom, and the entire positive charge and nearly the entire mass of the atom is constituting. That means a nucleus consists centroid point and total number of mass is centered at it, and this is a positive. Okay, it is a positive and very small space of certain of its atom. So this space is called the nucleus. That means it is a very small space of an atom which is called the nucleus, and it is a positive, and whole mass is center is here. And if we can talk what is the order of it, so 10 to the power minus 15 meter to the 10 to the power minus 14 meter. See that this is, you have also studied in your chemistry. So this is the composition of the nucleus. The nucleus is composed by these particle, and its density, if you will talk, 10 to the power 17 kg meter cube inverse is its total density. And here we will talk about how much is the total number of proton in a nucleus. So we will talk about the proton. First topic, we will talk about the proton. So how much total we have the proton? So that is, proton is always equal to atomic number. The protons is always equal to the atomic number, that means Z, according to your chemistry. Okay, and number of neutrons, if you find the number of neutron, okay, number of neutron, that means your mass number. Okay, mass number minus, you can subtract the atomic number, that means A minus Z. So you have to find the number of neutrons from here, and mass number, that is you denoted by a capital A. Correct. So we'll talk about what are the main particles of your nucleus. So first one is a proton. Okay, proton is the first particle. That is, proton is an elementary particle of a substance. Okay, it is reside inside the nucleus of the atom, and proton is discovered by the Rutherford in 1919. So proton, that is a Rutherford. Who discovered it? Rutherford discovered it is in the 1919, 19 and 19. It is discovered by the Rutherford. And now second, we will talk about here what is the component of this composition is. Second one is a neutron. It's a very important, neutron. So neutron, it was discovered in 1932 by Chadwick. Okay, who discovered? This question comes many times. Chadwick. So Chadwick discovered the neutron, and it is a neutral particle. Okay, so we can say here the entire nuclei inside, that is, neutron cannot remain stable outside the nuclei. Okay, nucleus is free, in free state. That means you can say 0 1, that is symbol of the neutron. Suppose we have 1H1 hydrogen plus, that is a beta particle. So beta particle and along with an anti-neutrino, but this portion is related from your part. So we have yet talk about the proton particle, we have talked about the neutron particle, and we can talk about the electron as well. So this is the composition, all together make the find the composition. And now we will talk about the size. So what is the size? This is the second portion, size. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, according to experimentally it is found that the volume of a nucleus is directly proportional to the mass number. What is it? Volume. Okay, directly proportional to the mass number. That means the size in the composition, the size is a spherical, nucleus is spherical, so volume of a sphere, this is 4/3 pi r cube, directly proportional to the mass number A. If we can take, this is the constant, so r cube proportional to A. If we can say this, if remove this proportionality will come here, so r is equal to r naught a to the power 1/3. From C here, this is the size of the nucleus. So that according to this size of nucleus, experimentally it is found that the volume of nucleus is directly proportional to its mass number. Mass number is A, volume is B, and nucleus is considered as a spherically. Some book is written here capital R, so no problem, you can write the capital R or the small r. And the value of the constant r0 is, that is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay.